Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I'm taking a look at Gold Pips EA, an expert advisor designed for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace listing, look at the features and recommendations provided by the developer, and then discuss the historical testing results and what they can tell us about the EA's behavior. So starting with the Marketplace page, Gold Pips EA is currently priced at $30 and is listed as version 1.0. All right. And according to the developer, this is a breakout-based expert advisor that works using buy stop and sell stop pending orders. The system places orders around price levels with the high and low of a bar acting as breakout levels for potential trade entries. Now, one important point highlighted in the description is that the EA does not use martingale, grid, or averaging strategies. The developer also emphasizes the importance of using a low spread trading account to achieve the intended performance. All right. Looking at the recommended trading conditions, the primary symbol is XAUUSD, although the developer mentions that other instruments can also be used. The recommended time frames are M5 and M15. The minimum suggested deposit is $50 and the preferred account types are ECN, raw or razor accounts with very low spreads. Hedge accounts are also recommended. Now, moving into the specifications section, every trade is protected with a stop loss of 250 points. The EA also includes a trailing stop mechanism designed to manage positions after they move into profit. In addition, there is a built-in auto lot function for position sizing. Another feature worth noting is the simplified setup process. The developer states that the default settings are suitable for most brokers using GMT+3 server time. If your broker uses a different server time, some adjustments to the trading time settings may be necessary. The developer also recommends using a VPS to keep the EA operating continuously. Okay. So now let us quickly transition to the backtesting section and let's see what was provided by the developer here. I can see quite an interesting equity curve here. This was just sideways until a breakout finally happened and then a swift rise continued from there. Okay, this shows me $100 initial deposits with a total net profit of over $2.8 million. And the total trades taken were 863, out of which 666 were profitable, yielding a 77.17% win rate. And here I can see that the largest profit was 223,337.86. Largest loss was 52,046.94. The average profit 5,991.69, but the average loss was 5,558.47. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is very close to 1:1. The average profit is just a little bit bigger than the average loss, right? And let us just head over to our strategy tester right now. Let's see how this expert advisor performed the Gold Pips EA. We're testing it on XAUUSD over the on 15 minutes time frame as recommended over the past 3 months. We are using the every tick data. All right. So now looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was just $29.23. And I can see that 36 trades we are taking in total, out of which 29 were profitable, and that gave us a and 80.56% win rate. Okay, and then here I can see that the largest profit was $9.9, largest loss was $1.1, average profit was $1.27, and the average loss was $1.1. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is actually fair. It's not excellent per se, but well, it's manageable, I guess. So let us also turn on the visuals and see the EA in action. All right. So when reviewing historical backtest results, I like to view them as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Backtesting can help us understand how an EA behaved during previous market conditions, but it cannot guarantee similar outcomes going forward. All right. So looking at the historical chart activity, we can observe how the EA executed its breakout approach using pending orders around key bar highs and lows. Now, since the developer specifically states that the system uses buy stop and sell stop orders based on bar extremes, the trade activity visible on the chart should generally reflect that breakout style methodology. The presence of fixed stop losses and trailing stop management can also be observed through the historical trade records, providing insight into how positions were protected and managed throughout the testing period. That said, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can evaluate how the EA behaves across a wider range of market environments and volatility conditions. As for the results, any historical testing performance should be interpreted carefully. All right. Actual trading outcomes can vary based on spread conditions, broker execution quality, slippage, VPS stability, lot sizing choices, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. Overall, the Gold Pips EA is a relatively straightforward MT4 breakout expert advisor focused primarily on XAUUSD. All right, it combines pending order breakout entries with stop loss protection, trailing stop management, and automatic lot sizing while avoiding martingale, grid, and averaging techniques. As always, thorough testing on a demo account and within the MT4 strategy tester is recommended before considering live trading. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.